My name is Mrs. Junt, and I'll be teaching your child math. This is my 34th year of teaching for Central Kitsap School District. Your child will be learning pre-algebra. Email is the best and most efficient way to communicate with me. I check it often throughout the day. For you to stay connected to what is being assigned, sign up for Remind, where daily assignments are texted to you each day. Your child can do this too. Another way to see what I assign is go on your child's computer to my Google Classroom. Homework is classroom assignments that need to be finished up at home and studying for tests. Students can also work on Khan Academy at home. The entire math book is online, and students get a workbook that they can write in too. Students show all their work in a spiral-bound notebook. If your child appears to be struggling, we offer after-school math help available Monday through Thursday in Mr. McNett's room. And another option is they can join my enrichment class to be with a one-on-one academic tutor. Several grades go into the gradebook. Please be sure to check your child's progress throughout the year to avoid any surprises on Power School. If you click on the teacher's name, it'll bring up all your child's assignments and how they're doing in class for all subjects. The best way you can support your child this year is to check that they are showing their work in their spiral bounds. Students will be solving problems like a plus 5 equals 6. They know in their head that the answer is 1. But this is a basic one-step algebra problem where they need to isolate the variable by showing their work to build up to more difficult problems. A syllabus will go home at the end of the week with all the information you'll need to know for your child to be successful in my class this year. I look forward to working with you this year to give your child a fabulous middle school experience.